Hello, this is Wewe Maker here, and this is the installation and review of the replacement hinges that I made for this DX1:60 VF25 from Bandai. This is, I think, a 8 to 10 year old toy, and so far it's held up pretty well, except for these parts. These are the hip area hinge assembly. As you can see, the plastic basically is ruined, obliterated. The hinge assembly comprises of three parts. I think this is made of ABS plastic, not POM. The plasticine leaked and it became brittle. And for now, I managed to make replacement parts for these. 3D printed parts. I made two variations actually. This one is a non-pin version where you just have to assemble it like that. And the other one is a pinned version wherein you need pins to actually install them. Particularly the ones that came with the VF itself, the spring double joint pins that came with the VF joints. You can reuse them with these ones. Actually, I've already installed mine. And let's preview how durable it is, and I'll be disassembling it so that I can show you how I managed to install them. Alright, let's try to transform this just to show you how it's not really that hard to install these pieces. These are the pieces that I installed, and people say I used nylon type resin to have these things printed. People say, no, resin printing, oh, that wouldn't last long. It'll probably crack. But look at this. Whoa! Check it out. Yeah, it's strong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not even breaking. Even if I yank it like that, it won't, and twist it a bit because it's made of nylon resin. It flexes before it can break. Anyways, let's try to sorry for the camera work. Try to uninstall these parts. First thing you have to do, of course, take this off. As you can see, all you need to do there is get a Phillips screwdriver. And yank it out of there. Wait, best method is to use another screwdriver to just pry it out. There you go. As you can see, I've used the spring double joint that came with the VF25. Now, this is a very tricky part to take out, but The way I do it is I finagle it a bit. The best course of action for you to manage to take these parts out is to be able to get access to these parts. And the best way to do it is to actually just first transform this part a bit so that you can fold this downward like that, and now twist this a bit so that you can have access to this part right there, and use a screwdriver that's bits in to actually screw it out. Yes, slowly. All right, put that inside, then twist it a bit for the other side. Twist it some more so that you can have better clearance to do the screwing out. And there we go. And now for the last piece, in the last screw, just I'd rather use a larger screw for this one. After that, just a matter of prying this open. Be careful, it's the spring mechanism for the latch may fly away or fly off. And for this, you just have to pull it out. And there we go. Well, it's the same deal as this part. It's just as this one doesn't have the spring double joints. I can also just use this if I want to, but I'd rather use the one with spring double joints. As you can see, this still works. And you can't just pull it out because this gets sandwiched once installed with the other part, which is this one. You can see it works. You can yank it if you want, but again, I'd rather stick with the one with the spring double joints. Just pull it out first. Anyway, that's all that I got for you guys. Probably have these available at Shapeways, or I don't know. Try to reach out to me and let's see how we can work things out. Okay. Anyways, bye.